Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to quickly use this smart controller, step by step.